Everybody, welcome back to another video about Gala token, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price update of Gala. But surprise, changes occur in the Gala token. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the Gala token. So guys, now here the right now price of Gala token is about 0.1117 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Gala token. Furthermore, if we talk about the changes of Gala token, so 1.71% changes occur in the Gala token. 1.71% changes occur in the Gala token. That means that now when I start this video, so the price are in negative, but now right now situation, the price changes becomes more positive. I mean, they are in the pumping mode. The price pumps every second, every minute, guys. So guys, you can see here, I think there is still opportunity with all of you to invest in a Gala token because the price of Gala is still very low. Now let me show you more about, you can see here, now the trading volume is going to decrease. Trading volume is negative 82.51%, but I hope guys, with the passage of time, again the trading volume will become positive and you will get profit, guys. Oh my god, just you can see here a very big dump occur in the Gala token live. This is live update. So live the price of Gala token dumps negative. Now whole the Gala token are going in the low. So warning, that is a warning video for all of you. Be alert and be safe from lows, guys. Supply is about 6.98 billion Gala. That is right now supply of market. You can see here, guys, now they again start jumping. This time the price jumps, but in the latest situation the price again starts jump. So alert. Now I hope, guys, that for a long time they will continue this jump, guys. They will continue this jump. Anyways, what you think? What is your prediction about Gala token? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. You can see here 24 hours trading volume is about negative 82.76%. The trading volume decrease, guys. So alert. It's time to hold, guys, not to sell. A lot of people, when see a small fall, so they decide to sell, but that is a wrong decision for all of you. Don't decide to sell, just hold, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video.